So today I got this fidget. My son has ADHD, so I thought maybe it might help him. Like it's supposed to help you like with anxiety, all kinds of stuff. It's pretty neat. And they sell these actually at the dollar store here. They were $7.50, better than the price online that I've seen. Pretty cool. Whoop. I had it sitting on my finger.